Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password for your Chipotle.com account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in Chipotle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you find yourself in the official website of Chipotle.com, make sure that you are logged in. Now, from the main homepage, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. And from the menu displayed on the screen, scroll down and tap on Personal and Preferences. You will then be able to see all of your info for your account. To change to a new password, simply find the Password tab and click the Update link right next to the Password option. Here, in the pop-up, you'll need to enter an old password that you are currently using for your Chipotle account. So go ahead and type in your current password, and right where it says password, you now need to type in the new password you are trying to change to for the account. Once your newly created password meets these criteria at the bottom, click on Update Password, and that is how you can easily change your password for your Chipotle.com account. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly created password. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.